Hello and welcome to Okamic Middle School Open House. My name is Jennifer McMillan Barnes and I am the proud principal here at Okamic. I'm so excited that you have decided to join us for our virtual open house tonight. I hope that we will be able to show everything that makes Okamic special and a good fit for your child. Tonight you will have the opportunity to speak live with teachers regarding the arts, IB, AVID, and you will be able to ask all those important questions that you have. Oh, and I forgot gifted. You will also be able to talk to a gifted teacher about our full-time gifted program. You will also have the opportunity to visit clubs, activities, and athletics virtually, so you'll get to learn all the extracurricular activities. You'll also get to meet the counselors if you have any credit questions or have any concerns about the upcoming year. I can't wait for you to meet all of our wonderful teachers. You're going to love them. And want to mention to you, if you would like a face-to-face tour, we are doing them after hours this week. So if you could just call the school and set up a virtual tour. We look so forward to hearing from you and meeting you tonight.